A big wave that we must separate ourselves from if truly we want to actualize Biafra. Just listen to me the way I'm saying this thing because Abi am now Wute. You see, we cannot be making efforts to see a good nation called Biafra, and some people will be sitting down to jeopardize the fight for freedom. To be very bad in every way. Yes. To be bad in every way because the more we try to hit around, and that is the more we try to hit the mind, we must again hold ourselves, positioning the big effort that should be made. And that is one thing I must say. You see, as we position ourselves in every formation, we must again see that some people are already trying to destroy the mindset of Biafrans. I don't know why, but see, whatever they are trying to do to destroy the minds of Biafra, they are going to fail woefully. That is just the truth. They are going to fail woefully because the failure will be recorded in every kind of force. And that is just the biggest truth. So what am I saying is that a lot of people are doing their possible best to see a negative result, to calibrate this result and make us feel that we do not know what we are doing. But whatever result they try to bring, let them know that the only reason we can gradually and gently feel in the power we must again continue in that path. Where righteousness is recorded. So whoever that is trying to paint Biafra black, let's ask them one important question. And that important question must go as follows. We're not going to allow some enemies who pretend to be friends to deceive us. No, not again. Not anymore. Everything they are trying to do, whatever they are trying to install, must be exposed at all costs. But what they didn't know is that no matter how they try to, put the effort that Hamadike have done in a bad light, there is always every possibility to remind them that they cannot make a shame from a vocal knowledge. Just the truth. You cannot make a shame from a vocal knowledge, and that's where the theory begins from. You see, we are doing everything necessary to push through our effort and to gather the things that needs to be gathered. Most importantly, several lies will be told, but no matter how they try to tell those lies, they must understand that it is the duty of Biafrans to keep correcting those lies. Because at the end of the day, what matters more is the ability for Biafrans to fight back. And once we start fighting back, so one of the important knowledge, things must be put in a proper order. And that is where things must be done accurately. So, in line with the organized incident, people must get to understand that we are not a proportion of however the things may be. And that is where the whole situation has become. So, as we continue to ride through the facts and through the theories of our expectations, let's not forget that the battle is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who know that this journey must be made the way it should be made. That's how Biafra speaks for too long.